Introducing the 2025 Isuzu D-Max LS. This powerful vehicle is ready to take on any adventure with its 1.9-litre engine and sleek white exterior. With only 10 kilometres on the clock, it's practically brand new. Enjoy a comfortable ride with adjustable seats, climate control, heated seats, and more. Stay safe with ABS, traction control, and collision avoidance braking. Plus, take advantage of features like Bluetooth, USB connectivity, and more. This vehicle has undergone a full multi-point health and safety check, is serviced to manufacturer specification, and comes with a comprehensive warranty. Call us or visit harrisgroup.ie for more information. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity.